I know most gyms have a gym debit card, but again, you're not really getting the rewards that you could be getting, which could turn into profit for your gym. So first things first, there's a couple different types of credit cards. American Express has a platinum card. The kicker with the platinum card is whatever it is that you charge that month, when the bill's due, it has to be paid in full. So you can't make payments. You don't have to really worry about, occurring interest because you have to pay the credit card off in full the day it's due. But it has great rewards. Your rewards for the American Express Platinum, you could use towards hotels, travel, food gift certificates. The options are endless for that. There's another option. American Express also offers a Delta SkyMiles card, which is great. The miles that you accumulate can be used towards flights for your staff, flights for Summit, Worlds, whatever your end of the year event is. That's another great option. Now with the credit cards, when you get your statement at the end of the month, you need to create a chart of what things, what number applies to what. So what you could do is number 1 could be travel. Number 2 is uniforms. Number 3 is advertising. Number 4 is personal expenses. If you are a solo business, you are the only owner. Number 5 could be memberships and subscriptions. So what's going to happen is you're going to create these numbers on an Excel sheet. When you get your credit card statement at the end of the month, you're literally going to go through and put a number next to each purchase so that you can transfer it to the correct category. Your accountant needs this. He needs to know that Uber was travel. You guys happen to be out of town and you guys were using Uber for the staff to get back and forth. That's number 6. So anytime they see the number 6, they know that goes to travel. Anytime they see the number 1, could be uniforms, and so on and so forth. And then 2, create a category that does say interest so that if you are making small payments, you can show that as well. Once you have your credit card, here's how you're going to use it. Now you set a budget for, let's say, choreography. You know that you're going to charge X amount of dollars per child, and included in that X amount of dollars, hotel, flights, car rental, everything for the choreographer is included in that amount, which is great. You're not going to change that. But now here's the game. You're actually going to use the reward points that you've accumulated through your credit card to offset those costs. So say you planned on spending $350 for airfare for your choreographer, and you have budgeted that in the expenses that you charged your athletes. You're going to use, say, your Delta SkyMiles card, and that $350 you're now going to save as profit because you're going to use your SkyMiles to purchase that flight for free. Same thing with hotel. You know that your choreographer is going to need 4 days, 3 nights. Instead, and you've budgeted $175 a night plus tax. So we'll say around $550, $600 is what you're going to be spending because you got to figure out city tax too. Now you're going to save that money. You're going to actually make another profit of $550, $600 because you're going to use your Marriott card to book the hotel nights that you have accumulated for the choreographer. So already you've made $1,000 profit off of one choreographer based off the fact that you were able to save the money on the flights that you did budget into your accounts. You're going to save money on the hotel because you've budgeted that as well.